terminggu.
Yeah, yeah. And landslides. Do you remember that word?
No.
Longsor?
Land.
Yeah, longsor.
Oh, longsor. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. And then here's a new word, buried. So buried is mengubur.
Oh, mengubur.
Mengubur.
Ooh.
Yeah. So, like, if you were buried in a landslide, it means like the land fell on you
Oh.
and you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tertimbun.
Oh, okay.
Like, iya bang. Apa maksudnya lemari? Saya tertimbun lemari.
So do you understand that now? So landslides buried 9 people. Landslides buried 9 people.
Longsor. Ada lemari UBG boleh kawan. Salah. Tertimbun. Tertimbun 9 orang.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Now
9 orang tertimbun longsor.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I got it. No?
Okay, now read that next sentence. A child.
A child has been rescued. Hey! Some bodies have been found, but we're not yet sure about details, he said.
Yeah. Good. Seorang anak. Apa tadi?
Menyelamatkan.
So,
Seorang anak diselamatkan,
Yeah.
beberapa orang mendapatkan, tetapi mereka tidak tahu lebih dalam.
about the details is
Ya, lebih dalam ya.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Lengkap.
Yeah.
Details is mean for me lengkap. Lengkap, complete.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to teach you what's the meaning of greetings in yes.
Okay.
Ya ahu, do you know what's the meaning of ya ahu?
Means like hello or goodbye.
Yeah, true. And hadiah duria.
Hadiah duria. Is it how are you?
Yeah, true. Jesus so drauge. Can you read it again? What? Jesus
Hazel.
so
So.
drauge.
Drauga.
No, drauge.
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 True. Drauge is mean you.
Okay.
And where are you?
I want to write it. Like this.
Yeah.
Drauge.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No. Drauge.
Yeah. I don't think.
Drauge.
Yeah. Okay. Drauge.
Okay. It's mean you. Jesus so drauge.
Jesus.
Zo
So.
so drauge. Yeah, this.
Jesus. Drauge.
Lucy.
Lucy.
The meaning?
The meaning? Oh,
Where are you,
where
Lucy?
are you, Lucy? Okay. And
So you can answer.
answer.
How to answer, Ivan?
Banomo.
No.
Yeah, true.
It means I'm here.
No.
Yeah, no.
At home.
Oh,
At home.
Panama.
Have I ever come in your photo and say siga? What's the meaning of siga?
I don't know. I was wondering.
Like baga.
Okay.
You know.
But do you know baga baga?
Baga is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This,
Siga? Like
Siga, siga.
Ah,
Nice. I like that. It's not so difficult. Siga, siga.
okay. After
So,
that.
drauge siga, siga.
Yeah.
Wow, it's good.
Sahagala. Ya uga gay baga baga.
Yeah. What?
Ya uga gay.
Yeah.
Ya uga.
Ge.
Same like this. Tra uga and ya uga. Like.
As subject and object. Yauge is a as a subject. Nrauge is when as a object.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Uga.
So it means you as well.
Yeah.
This is ya uga you.
So, yauge is the object.
Yauge no subject. Yauge baga baga.
Ya uga.
Yauge that's a subject. While nrauge
Object.
object like
Right. Okay.
like
Object.
this sentence umasido nrauge. So as a object. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So different nrauge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya omasido keme.
Omasido kama.
Yvonne,
Yeah. Ivan?
you know what the meaning?
No.
Saya suka kamu, Yvonne.
Okay. Can you write it?
Omasido.
Omasido.
Omasido. Its meaning like. Like.
Okay. Omasido.
Keme
Kama.
To you
to you.
Okay.
To you.
or can say
Your
actually I love you. Almost. I think I ever tell you the word when we went to November.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I did, but I forgot it already.
Yeah.
But the meaning of omasido keme in Mandarin, wo ai ni.
What I need.
Uh-uh.
How do you know that?
You know what's the meaning of wo ai ni?
I like you.
Like this.
Yeah, I
Aku
love.
cinta kamu. Aku suka kamu.
Okay.
It's the meaning,
Okay, I love you.
yeah.
Okay, now you can teach Lucy how to introduce
Introduce.
herself in Nias language.
You can do it
No.
like this. Ya aku. Ya odo Yvonne. Moroi badumeri. In my village. Dumeri.
So, if Lucy, can you say ya odo Lucy or Teigu? Te,
Ya odo.
Yeah. Odo means my name is.
Ya odo is
means
you.
I am.
Oh,
But if you use my names, you can say Teigu, Teigu
yeah.
Teigu.
How do you spell that?
with
Like
unlaw,
this.
with unlaw.
Okay. So
T T E
Bukan kebang.
I G U.
Teigu. Like this.
okay.
Teigu.
Uh,
Means that my name is
Yeah.
Teigu Lucy. Ya Odo Moroi Ba Australia.
I am from Australia.
Ya Odo
Yeah. Odo.
Moroi
Moroi.
Ba
Moro ba
Ba.
Australia. Right. From Australia.
Yeah. Odo. Moroi. Ba. Australia.
Two. Hadiano mangan rauke.
Hadiah. What? Hadiah.
No
No.
manga
Manga.
rauke. Like this.
Go.
It means, apakah kamu sudah makan?
Aha. Hadia no manga trauga.
Can you repeat again but you asked me?
Hadia no manga Hadia no manga
Nrauga.
trauga. Yvonne.
Yeah. Noah.
Noah is no.
Yes.
Answer to no.
Already.
Noah.
Noah.
Already.
Like Noah.
Noah.
Ya. But there is apa kutip bang? Atas.
Yeah.
Absorb. Now, time for Lucy to practice how to introduce yourself in Nias language.
Okay.
Yourself.
But first, maybe Yvonne.
Yeah.
Sudah tadi.
Okay.
Sudah tadi.
Give example.
Hello Lucy. Ya aho Lucy. Ya aho Lucy. Deku Yvonne. Ya odo toroi ba lasara bahiri.
Okay.
Yahawu Ivan.
Ya.
Ya Odo. Teigu.
Teigu. Wait, I wrote that wrong. Teigu Lucy. Ya Odo Moroiba Australia.
Wow, tepuk tangan. Woo.
Hadia no manga trauga.
Noah. Havisa botomo.
Okay.
Yeah, Henry. Haisa botomo is mean how are you? Havisa duria.
Habisa.
Like
How are you?
Yeah.
Habisa.
Havisa.
Hawisa Duria.
Yeah. Duria.
Okay.
If at N.
Add N.
And then it's mean
Durian.
durian.